I think I'm good. Is that working now? When it's flashing?
Recording. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you got your time.
Okay. How long does that go?
Until you stop it.
Oh, it does. Okay. All right.
Well, but when you get up there, it's got...
so you wouldn't be able to stick it in that.
What about that one, Dad?
I really like that one. Let's make it work. Yeah, I think you can make it work.
Guys are making decisions over there. They're thinking.
Pretty serious conversation.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at this one again. No? The bad one? Look at the trunk.
What?
That's a no.
No. There's like
8
10.
trunks.
a bunch of them in there. It's not one tree. If it was a single.
Hey, where's William? Hey, there's William. Yeah, Keely. All right.
How about that one? Is that too big? No, that's good. Is it a single? Hey, John, how about this one? That one? Right there. Straight ahead. Yeah, that's a yes. It's a what? Double.
Courtney, what about that
Double
one
trunk.
right to the left of these three right there in the middle there? Not that one or the other one, the one right there, the left up to the left. That's so cool.
You okay, William?
That's so cool. That base is maybe
Did you get your foot caught in that tree limb, William?
not this one, that one.
Hey, Courtney, say hi to us here.
You can take it.
Where's William? There he is.
He doesn't have a single truck going up.
Courtney, you and Mom want to say hello since we're here? Oh, what do you got in that? What do you got in the drink there, Courtney?
A little peppermint cocoa.
Oh, peppermint cocoa. Mom didn't have any.
I like that one. You said you wanted this one. That one? Is that the house one?
How about this one?
That one?
There's always something. No, I don't want it.
Gee, we're getting down to the end of the road up here, huh?
Put up the fake one.
I know, you guys had it up early. That has at least 2 trunks, I can see that.
Yeah, they're tricky.